Hello everyone and welcome back to this new episode of Hollow Knight Silksong. This shall be episode 12 and I'm still AC, not a name. Okay, so like I said last time, today we're gonna go and see some of the things we left off, like the left, no, rightmost area of Greymoor, but first we should be checking out the visual in the main town, Bone Bottom. Yes. Okay, so let's make our way back. Yes. The docks. Okay, so we're almost there. Yes. Okay, so first off, I wanna go. Oh, hey yo. To Bone Bottom, like I was saying. And yes. Maybe if I try not to collide with walls, because it probably hurts a little bit. Okay, let's see if this. Nope. I heard that Yash can also. But it doesn't seem to be anything new on the visual. So, yes, let's get back to Greymoor, the start of it. So, a hero. Let's get to the far fields. And get up here. Okay. And let's go. And we're back in here. And there's no bench anymore. Okay, so that was only for when Chakra was here, I guess. So we're gonna have to be careful. We want to have the wall way back from the far fields. And there are some birds. Okay. Birds. Are they angry? Who knows? Ouch. Okay, what's... Okay, there's something up there. I don't think you can reach it. No, probably not. Ouch. Friend. Okay, these do not take much knockback, so I can't really do it like that. So, okay, a gate and some weird moles. A big bird. Wait, that's the same type of nail that Lace had. Ouch. Let's get this gate and see what's in here. Okay. This is very reassuring. Yes. Completely. Let me check if I can get no. So it seems like this is the only way forwards, at least for now. Like either that or whatever is the other way. I don't like this. Wait. I can actually... Okay, so... I actually want to try and get all of those beads up there because they're not few, but I don't know if I can get them. Yeah, okay, I can, but it's not gonna be easy. So I'll probably see you once I get all of them. Oh wait, I've just figured out that you can probably do it like this. Yes. Also, what's up there? Okay. And here's a closed door. So now let's keep going. So this place wants us to use the knives. Probably. And oh, a totally inconspicuous arena. I wonder what's happened. Oh! Oh! Okay. This guy's a big ninja. No! I was already dying in a stupid way. Ouch. Okay, more birds. Heal up. Ouch. Ouch. No. I am in trouble. And I'm dead. I'll see you once I'm back up there. Okay, I'm back in here. And I said we can... Ouch. Not take damage from random rats, please. Let's do this. Okay. Friend. Okay. Friend. Okay, the big one is dead. friend. Let's get this one. No, probably should have gone for the other one first, but well, whatever, never mind, I guess. Friend. There are some more birds. No. Oh my god, that was close. And it's still close. Friend? Let's get the ranged one first, maybe? No? No, let's get the melee one. Or no. I don't know, I'm gonna mix it. Oh, come on. I'll see you back up there. So, I just lost everything because I died to one of those vicious Karenids. And I'm incredibly pissed because they were one of the kinds of enemies that the Savage Beastfly, the guy from the other time, summoned. And yeah, as you can hear, I'm not even speaking correct English anymore, like not even remotely correct, so yeah. And it was not this guy, the next one, was it? Yes. Yes. I am really incredibly pissed because I had like, what, 80 bits, which is not that much, but not even that bad. So, yeah, fuck those guys, seriously. But let's get quickly back to the bird thing. No, let's just skip those because they're not gonna give us anything worth it. Ouch. Friend? And okay, 2 masks of damage because you get stun locked. That is really fun, right? Yes? See you back once I'm up there again. Okay, so I made it back. Let's get started. 1, 2, 4. Get there, you coward. Don't hide under my cocoon. Well, I can just get it now. It's like 5 or 6, I guess. Okay. I did not expect that. Very much did not expect that. Okay, the 3 birds. Friend. Come on. I think this is the last wave though. So let me just get back up there and yes. Okay, so we're back. And let's get right back into the action. Okay, I didn't intend to take it right away, but fine, I guess. We're down one emergency heal, but fine again. But can you please die? Okay, first birds. Can you please not drop down on my head? Friend? Okay, this is kind of bullshit. I should have hit you many times. Okay. First one down. Oh god, no, please. Okay, heal up really quickly. Now spam this. This is... I'm gonna die here. Yes. Yes. Of course. Oh my god. See you back up there. Okay, we're back. Okay, this time it's not so in our face, the cocoon. So let's try not to get it right away. So we have some emergency heals if anything goes wrong. Like now, I guess. No, we can actually go without it. So let's do it like this. close one. Okay, we're good, I guess. Almost. I think that having a cool will allow us to spam in this phase. Okay, not like this. Okay, wait a minute. Yes, exactly like this. Please die. Okay, he's down. And he's also down. Okay, so that was the last phase. Whew. What is this gonna open? I don't know. Please not a fight again. It's probably altered the yes. Oh wait, it makes those reachable by hand, like. I guess. And opened up these balloons. Wait. Oh, it's probably outside the main course, I guess. Yes. Nope. Run. Can you please come down from there? Thank you. No, wait, you didn't. Actually did, so I retract my statement. I mean, I'm probably gonna recuperate very quickly if that's how much they drop. But still, the hate for vicious Kyrenids is not gonna stop. Friend? Let's see. Okay, we got something here. Can open up this passageway. Got these beads. Just get out. What's this gonna do? Okay, so balloons to and from where? Oh, okay, Chakra's camp. So in here it's probably gonna. Yes. One of the bell benches, I guess. Okay. I think we should first make sure we left nothing behind, but yeah, we did left something, so I don't know, maybe let's check out this way first. Okay, I mean there's nothing else we can do in here, so yeah. Let's make our way back. And there's some kind of path there. Yeah, some parkour thing. Not even that elaborate, actually. Can you please not? Okay. You know what? I'm gonna hide in here. Okay, so this is the top. Let's first see everything else that there is. So, like in here. Nope. Okay. Are you gonna get angry if I skip you? Probably so. Ren? Please get here. Okay, we did it. Not like this though. I gotta go back the long way. Now let's glide down here and see what's the other way around. Take. Threefold pin. Okay, so it's like the triple knives they've got. Okay, interesting, interesting. Let's make our way back up another time. Oh, it's one of the silk things, but it seems to be deactivated and destroyed. Oh wait, no, that was just the bottom section. So never mind. Daughter of a distant land, we who will remain have waited long. Bind our strength to yours, reclaim the future of our haunted kingdom. And let's bind. What power is it gonna be this time? Bound the silk skill, Threadstorm. Attack by whipping a storm of silk around oneself. Silk skills can be equipped in the crest screen of the menu. Okay. Hopefully it's gonna be better than Silk Spear. Okay. Oh, it's this one! I see! Egali much? Okay, and let's get back down. Not like that, but like this. And we actually have finished this subsection. And with this, we probably finish the whole area. We just now need to continue from Haunted Bellheart, I guess. So let's make our way back to the Haunted Bellheart bench. And wait. Haha. Okay, so we're getting back there. I decided to take the long way back, so through the Bellway and in the Farfields. But we should now be good. Insert rosaries, yes. Call. And we can now actually travel to and from Bellheart. And since the last time we rested here was kind of spooky, I'd say we can go back to Bone Bottom one last time this episode to see if they actually got some new quests at the quest board, the wish wall. No. And this guy, yes, it's still, everything is still too pricey. And we can't even get the crafting kit from the Forged Leather because that was 180 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this is going to be it for now. I'm leave this episode a little bit shorter than the rest, which I mean was the original plan for them to be roughly 30 to 45 minutes. Lately they've been all 45 or even more minutes. So yeah, this is gonna be it for now. I've been Asymptote. This was Hollow Knight Silksong episode 12, and I'll see you guys next time. Asymptote out.